think I heard the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Hi, this is Shannon, Facebook Live. Shannon, Birdsong Quilting, Facebook Live every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Let's let a few people log on. Thank you guys who are already with us for joining us. And today we're going to just talk about two things real quick. So let's start with the first thing. Speaking of countdowns, we are in the final countdown for our May HandiQuilter event. So if you are interested in a long arm, if you have never worked on a long arm and you think you might be interested in working on a long arm, if you think that you went to Paducah and you waited to buy your long arm because you want to find somebody local, we are your local store and we have a big event coming up that we would like to welcome you to. This event is May 30th, May 31st, and June 1st. So that's a Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thursday is a repeat of Saturday, so if you can't get a day off from work, I want you to come on Saturday. That is long arm basics and pro stitcher basics. That's basics of what a long arm is, how to roll your quilts, what it can do, why it's a great thing to own. And then Pro Stitcher is all about the basics of computerized quilting. If you think you're interested in adding the computer to your long arm, that is a must class. And so Saturday's classes match Thursday's classes. They are in the system as May 2024 HandiQuilter event. And you can easily book them online, beginning immediately. Friday's class is all about free motion. So if you want to take the basics of long arm and then come back Friday and learn how to do free motion, if you think you're not interested in computerized quilting, Friday is the day for you because we will be doing all things sweet, simple, free motion, customizing your quilt with free motion quilting. That is our Friday agenda. There are 2 classes a day. There's a morning class and an afternoon class. If you are signed up for both classes, we feed you lunch, so you don't have to go anywhere, do anything. You just sit back and enjoy the day. And we have specials on our long arms all weekend that weekend. So if you have worked or rented from us and you're interested in buying a long arm, that's a great weekend to just come, hang out with us, and learn about learn all things long arm and get some special deals on those quilters. The other thing I wanted to talk to you today about is our newest, latest, and greatest kit. So this is the quilt hanging behind me. This is Petal Patches by My So Quilty Life, and it uses the Flower Girl line from Moda. So Flower Girl, this quilt is comprised of just 4 features. It is the layer cake, the background, the border, and of course the pattern. These 4 things together make a kit which we are selling. There is a limited quantity because before I even came on to Facebook Live to show you, we've had people buying this in the shop like crazy. So I think I may have 4 to 6 kits left. It's a 62 by 62 quilt, and it is $109. $109 and some change. So that's a great price for a lap quilt. $109. Flower Girl, Petal Push Patches. I love it. It's so sweet. And if you have that special wedding event coming up and a special Flower Girl you'd like to make this quilt for, this goes together pretty fast. You can definitely get it done by the big wedding month of June. We do have some accompanying bolts that you can use for backings, binding, and a whole new line of blenders. Well, I just spilled the bucket, didn't I? I mentioned that we were going to get some shipments in, and we have a pile of boxes out there. So we'd love to have you at the shop. Come see what's new, and have a great day. Thanks for joining us. I have to hit the button. I got it. I got it, Amy.